Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be reviewing some Windows basics, learning how to navigate the desktop. The desktop is basically the screen you see after you turn on your computer. And this is the main workspace that we use when you turn on your computer. This is the background. Right now I have blue pictures with the Windows logo. And you can also find on the bottom, this here is called the Taskbar. Taskbar. You can find shortcuts to programs, your Wi-Fi, your battery, the time and date. You can search for things by typing here. And this here is the most important button. It's called the Start menu. And here you can find all your programs and applications, and you can find the settings, your pictures, your downloads, your documents. So this is a very important button. This is where you can find everything, and also turn off your computer too.
If you're just getting started with Windows, learning how to navigate.
Okay, this here on the taskbar, you can also find the File Explorer. This is where you can find all your files and folders and your documents. To open a program, you double-click on the icon. So if I want to open Microsoft Word, I click 2 times fast. I double-click, and then it opens. You can click and drag to move the window around. You can also make it smaller and bigger, so I recommend practicing that. You can maximize to make it big and click it again to go back to the original size. You can minimize to make it go down to the taskbar. So now it's down here, so I can click it again to open it again. So minimize, and then I didn't close it, it's just down here on the taskbar. To close, you would click X. Okay. So let's practice some of the skills I just mentioned. Click on the Start menu, look for Settings, and adjust the volume. I'm going to click Start, and I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to click here because that's where the sound is. And I'm going to click on Sound, and you can make it louder or medium. You can decide. And this is for the microphone. You can test your microphone. The setting has many things like your battery, your storage, your display. So you can make it less bright or very bright. Okay, I'm going to close this right now, but it's nice to know where the settings are. So it's right there with the Start. By clicking the Start menu, you can find the settings. Now, number 3, look for a program you use like Google Chrome from the Start menu. So I can type here, Google Chrome. There it is. So that's one way to find a program, is to type here in the search. Number 5, open Google Chrome or another application program. So you can type here to search for it. There's usually a shortcut in the taskbar. And you can also double-click from your desktop. And practice minimizing, maximizing, and closing, and maybe even moving it around. Okay, so I'm going to minimize and go back here and maximize. I'll move it around. Good. And then I'll close it. Now I'd like you to practice making folders. So right-click, create a folder, and then delete it. Send it to the recycle bin. So to make a folder, you right-click on your desktop, press New, and press Folder. And I'm going to maybe write the name of this class, NESL 982. And then you can drag it, click and drag, to put it where you want it. So this is nice. You can put all your homework in one folder. And then I want you to practice deleting it. Okay, send it to the recycle bin. You click and drag and release. If you change your mind, you can click and drag and move it out. If you want to delete it permanently, you right-click and empty the recycle bin, and that'll delete everything in here permanently. Finally, go to the taskbar and click on the icons to see what's there. So there's lots of things down here that you can play with to see what's down here on the taskbar. Like even here, Task View. This is kind of nice, where it shows you can pick the different programs and then open it or close it. Okay, everyone. If you have any questions about how to navigate the desktop and use Windows, please let me know. Bye.